Just turn off. I don't even know if it was on. I don't even think the camera was on. I just did it a whole clip and my camera wasn't even on. That shows you how this video is gonna go, folks. Okay, so I am here doing a different type of video today. A video I did not think I would ever make, but I am going to make it today. I told you guys on Facebook and Instagram yesterday that I was actually at Walmart buying supplies for my kids to make slime. I do not like slime, but I'm actually gonna let my kids make slime today for the first time ever, and they are pretty excited.
I've made slime. I've made slime before. And I need to taste it.
Okay, Kate thinks she's the master of the slime making, so she does not want to follow the directions, but I told her we're gonna follow the directions to make sure we do it right.
I'm making the super sticky slime in the whole world because I'm the master of the slime too.
Yeah, he's the master of the slime, and he's never made slime before, but he's the master of it. So you heard it first from Derek's mouth. So we are going to make this slime that I saw on Facebook called mermaid slime. I will actually leave the link below to the blog post that I got this from, and I'm actually going to be looking at the directions on my phone here. So we're going to make this on the counter. So do y'all want to get over here in the chairs?
I don't need it.
Yes, I want you to sit in the chair. See, already she's trying to dictate what we're doing. So, okay. So what we're gonna do first, and I'll show you everything we have in a minute. They're gonna get over here in these little chairs, and I am going to go in here, and I'm going to get a garbage bag because I don't know how messy this stuff is, and people have told me that it can get really messy. So I'm going to go and get us a garbage bag. Derek, get off of the counter with your shoes. Off. In the chair.
I'm taking my shoes off.
Okay, you're still sitting in the chair. So I'm gonna get a garbage bag to lay across the counter. Okay, I don't know if, hey, now, I mean, look at them. Look at them fighting. Okay, I don't care. We're not fighting. Hey, no, no, yeah, no. Y'all know this is on camera, don't you? Nana and Grandma might be watching. They don't want to see y'all on camera. Hey, y'all, we're putting the garbage bag down. Move all the stuff. I know. Oh my gosh. Did y'all hear Kate? Oh my gosh. Mom is so not fun.
I need to tell you something.
No, you don't.
I need to tell you something.
Here, lay this down.
I need this.
You don't need to open it up. Just take it.
I need to tell them something.
Okay, what do you want to tell them?
Sissy is so frustrated because
she's frustrated?
Yeah, and she thinks she's the slime master, and she doesn't want me to make slime.
Well, we're going to.
And it's gonna be my slime.
I don't know. Okay, yeah, we're gonna all make. Okay, so the slime. Okay, hold on. I ain't even started yet. Oh my good. Oh my. Okay, hold on. So everybody's got a bowl. These are Tupperware bowls, a spoon, and we're making. It was mermaid slime that I saw. Kate, we're not starting yet. Sit it down. Mermaid slime. But they didn't have green, so we're gonna call this cotton candy slime for Kate because she's got blue. And y'all, these came from Walmart. I went to Hobby Lobby and they didn't have any in pink. So we're gonna call Kate's cotton candy slime. And Derek's we're gonna call I'm
taking off the cap.
We're gonna call it like American slime because it's red.
No. Let's call it Optimus slime.
Okay.
Optimus.
Okay, so he's got blue.
And I got red.
And red.
There is no caps on it. Nope.
Okay. So, and then the other things we have are, we've got the large jumbo glitter. This came from Walmart as well, if it'll focus. The jumbo glitter. And then they had this type of thing in it as well, the extra fine glitter. I'm hoping, I just got one of each, so I'm hoping that they work.
I
Then we have, not yet, then we have water. Contact solution, which Kate says this is the activator. Baking soda.
Oh.
And then I need to get some measuring spoons.
Measuring spoons.
Now where's the, there it is. Okay. Measuring spoon. Okay. So now the kids are prepped, they're ready to go. Kate, smile! She is having so much fun with her mom doing all the directions. Okay, so I'm now gonna prop this up. We're gonna look at the directions and we're just gonna kind of go through it together. Okay, now I have you guys on a close-up of just the bowls.
Wait a second.
So before I'm not doing anything yet. So before I actually get started, I'm going to pull up the blog post where I saw it. And that would be from, let me show you guys. That would be from, oh, excuse that. Here it is. And that is from The Best Ideas for Kids. And if you check the description below, I'll have all of this in here. And I might need to, let me get this a little bit lighter. So there we go, now that's better. So the first thing that we do is empty your bottle of glitter glue into your bowl. Okay, so your blue glitter, put that in there. And all of the bottles that we use, we are going to recycle them. You need help, Derek?
Take all the glitter out.
Here, let me help you, okay? What a fantastic sound this makes.
And we
Hold on, not yet. Not yet. I don't think you use as much of this one.
I need to add red. You use a little bit of that.
Hold on, not yet. Okay, it says, then add a little bit of the other glitter. So look, it's just a little bit. Look, just a little bit. Okay, that's good.
Good. Crap, this little bit won't come out. There we go.
Hold on. Okay, now put the lid on that because we'll save that.
I'm putting it on right there.
Okay. Yes, then we'll save that just in case I get the wild hair, but we'll do this again. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're going to mix them together with your spoon. Gently mix, not too much. Okay, Kate, yours is good. Oh, Kate's is pretty. Okay, not so much to where you're turning it purple. Okay, just a little bit like this. Okay?
I might need a little bit more pink.
Okay, there,
It
yours
really
is
is
good.
just blue.
Okay, then it says you're gonna add a half a tablespoon of baking soda. So let me get that.
Give me the. No, I just need a pinch.
That's all, it says half a tablespoon. Okay, now it says half a tablespoon and mix it thoroughly.
That's a lot.
Here, just mix it, here. Okay, mix yours up. Look, hold the bowl. Also add 1 tablespoon or more of water. It says here, also 1 tablespoon mixing. Also add 1 tablespoon or more of water here, up to 1/4 a cup if you want it to be a stretchier slime. So Kate, do we want this to be stretchy or not?
Yes. If it's not stretchy, it's not rubber.
Now here, now look, you gotta mix you're not mixed up yet.
You don't want your slime like rubber.
There we go.
It takes a little bit to mix it. Let me do it.
Okay.
Now we gotta mix it. We gotta mix it.
Yes, mix it together, and then if you're still wanting some more, I'll add some more.
I need a little bit more.
You gotta make sure you get it all mixed in,
No,
okay?
don't mix my storm slime all the way to hers.
Do we need more, Kate?
No.
So check Derek's and see if he needs some more.
Wait, stop.
No.
Stop it! Stop it!
Hey, no, she's gotta check it to see if you...
Is it still a little bit thick, so you might need more? That's my storm slime.
Here. There.
And mix it together.
Hey, look, Sissy knows how thick that you need to have it.
slime. See the camera of it? My storm slime.
Okay, we gotta check it.
Yeah,
Okay.
his is good. You're good.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Oh, mine's even scratchy.
Yeah, glitter.
Glitter.
Now here comes the messy part. Then add your chunky glitter and a little bit of blue mist glitter. Okay, here, hold on, let's do this first.
I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it.
Okay, Kate's gonna do it because I don't know how much it needs to be in it.
Let me do it.
No,
I'll do it. I'll just do it.
You'll end up dumping the whole thing. Is that all we need?
Yeah.
Okay, so mix that up so we can see if we got enough of that.
My storm slime.
Okay, is that good, Kate?
Yep.
Okay, now let's add some glitter. Well, Lord, I'm glad I didn't get 2 of those.
That's what.
Now we're gonna add some blue, extra fine glitter. Okay, add a little bit to Derek's. Okay, gotta put that on camera.
And we gotta mix it.
Okay, now mix that together. Ooh, look how pretty that is.
Look at mine.
That actually looks like mermaid slime.
Well, maybe we should call it mermaid slime.
This is my storm slime.
Okay, let me see it. Look, you gotta do the sides. See, all this on the side. You gotta get it all mixed together, not just the middle.
And look at it's getting even scratchier.
That is so cool. I like it. Okay.
Baking soda.
Slowly add in your contact solution. Add in 1 teaspoon at a time.
Good.
So what do y'all think?
Good. Give it to me now.
Hold on, y'all. She's getting it all off your hand. See how it's all sticking?
It's mine ever.
There it goes. Let me see it. So you hold it. Y'all hold it. We're going to show it. Hold it. Okay, we're going to call Kate's, I think, cotton candy
No,
slime.
mine's mermaid.
Mermaid slime?
It actually
Okay.
is mermaid.
Hold on. Okay, hold it still. Hold it still in your hand so we can see it. Okay, don't move it because I can't. It's not wanting to focus on it. See, it's all glittery. Okay, hold it down together.
Hey, do it to me. Do it to me.
Okay, don't, yeah, just hold it. I think that looks like a cloud. Okay, and here's Derek's. And what are we gonna call yours? Storm?
Storm slime.
Storm, because it does look like a storm, doesn't it? Dark blue, with like lightning.
And it's like Jackson Storm.
Jack, who's that? Who's that?
From Lightning McQueen.
Oh, okay. So did y'all enjoy this?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
Okay, did you like this?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! And y'all, we did not make a big mess.
My super scratchy.
So that is all for this. Oh, so that is all for this slime making video. I hope y'all have enjoyed seeing us in real life, arguing, slapping, and everything, making slime for the first time. I think the kids liked it. Did you? Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! I think Derek was really excited. He didn't know he was gonna.
I was like very frustrated.
Frustrated.
Yeah, because I've never made slime before.
Oh, he was just happy that he was getting to make slime. He didn't know that he was going to get to make it until about 5 minutes before we started recording. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. We have enjoyed sharing it with you guys. I would love it if you've not become a member of this YouTube family, if you hit that little red subscribe button below. And I would love it if you would give this a thumbs up. So I hope you guys have a fantastic week. And until next time, bye you guys.